If creating content feels heavy, it's not because you lack ideas. It's because you're making too many decisions. We're going to make that visible so that we can reduce it. As you can see, I'm in my master system sheet, and I've added a tab down here at the bottom named Decision Load. And across the top, I've added 3 headers. The first one is task. The second one is requires a decision with a yes or a no, and the frequency, which will tell you how often you need to make that decision. I've also added in column A 5 common creator tasks. Write an Instagram caption, pick a post topic, design a thumbnail, respond to DMs, and choose hashtags. And then in column B, I populated it with yes and no, and then for frequency, either daily or weekly. So now how do you want to find out, how do we isolate the tasks that require you to think, that require you to make a decision? So easily with these filters, we'll just filter out anything that says no. And right there, you can literally count how many decisions you need. You can count your decision load. More decisions you make, less energy for content. So this is how this is what I look at to clear my head. It's the first tab I use to clear my head. In the next video, I'll show you how to filter out bad ideas before they become a drain on your time and your energy. Thanks for watching.